that's 4, 5, and 6. And there's the first 3. In their brand new home. 6 heifers, about 9, 10 months old. 773 pounds is what they average. That brings my total to 11 head. We'll let them explore for a while, then I'll get them some grain. I thought I'd show you my new feeding system I got. I'll need more space than just that trough for these extra critters. So they'll stick their heads between this pipe, this board. We got silage and hay in here. That'll wrap it up. But one last thing. If you got any ideas for names, I'll need 6 new names for these 6 new heifers. All girls, all black. Give me your name ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching.